What's up, guys? So today I'm gonna show y'all the new front lip because I fucking destroyed the old one. So this is the old one. I fucking hit a milk crate, well, one of those crates on the fucking road. This shit was just standing there and it blew this shit apart, just destroyed it. So I ordered another lip that's kind of like the same size pretty much, except this one I don't have to cut for all at all. Like, this shit just lines up so easily. It's crazy. I should have ordered this one in the first place, but damn, like the points don't line up, but it's whatever's. But there is another lip coming because I ordered two, one just to have in case that shit ever happens, because you know you break lips a lot. And I'm gonna show y'all also, I got a tune for it from Race Chip. They were, you know, I was like, fuck it, I'm gonna go ahead and do like a simple tune. So I'll tell you how that feels and also show you some new shit under the hood. Alright, so peace. Alright, y'all, check this shit out. Bam. Way nicer because it's not all cut up. Like, I didn't have to cut this shit up at all. It lined up flush so nicely. I did have to put these two brackets because it was like doing that weird wobbly thing because I didn't measure it out because I do half-ass shit. But it looks nicer now. So if y'all want the link for this one, let me know because this one actually fits. So I forgot for what model this was. Or I could tell you it wasn't for an Audi. Yeah, they don't make shit for us. But anyways, bam. So I made a heat shield with like actual like metal sheets and heat foil. So it really works. Like, it looks stupid as hell, but this thing works. Like, at night after I come in, like, I'll open this thing up, and usually anybody really with the car knows this thing gets hot as hell in here. And it isn't a true cold air intake because it's just a hot air intake, but this thing really be sucking up cold ass air. Like, I touch this and it's like freezing. Like, it's like really cold. Like, it's weird. It's not weird, but it makes sense because all the air is coming in through here and it's just hitting the piping and this, so it's just sucking up cold ass air. And I also removed my fog light so air can come in through there, and it comes out straight through there actually. So I like put pieces of like sheet metal and foil tape as well, so it rounds out and it comes straight up here, and it just makes it a lot better because I didn't buy like an actual intake with like the heat shield and shit, but I prefer mine because I can like block off each part, like it's all sealed up, like sealed up perfectly, and it doesn't get hot at all. And also, man, I did a Race Chip. A lot of people are against it. A lot of people are like, oh no, get a real tune. Well, this is a daily car. Like, I don't want to go with like a tune that I'm like, you know, really harsh. This isn't a race car. It's a 2.0. This thing does like, I think 37 horsepower and like 47 torque. So it's like more than enough for what you need. But for the price of what it was, I was like, yeah, fuck it, I'm gonna go ahead and do it. The installation's super easy. All it does is pretty much just throw more boost into the engine. So easy enough. Other than that, I'll do some like pulls and stuff like that in a later video, showing what it's like without it and with it, and have someone in the car and see if they can feel the difference. And I'll let you know. They'll let you know pretty much. Is it worth it? Is it not? I think it is because it was necessarily cheap. It was like $200. So that much money for like that much horsepower, it's more than enough. But yeah, this should look better with the lip because it was looking like somebody's mom's car. It looked like I asked my mom if I could borrow the car to go out. But it's just looking nice. I'm back to the silver wheels. Took off the plastic dip. It looks cool because I'm gonna get it lowered one day. I promise I'm gonna get it lowered one day. I ain't bullshitting this time. But took off the wing. Oh, also got this thing fully paint corrected. I don't know if y'all can see it, but this thing got paint corrected. It's dirty right now. I haven't washed it, but I got it paint corrected and ceramic coated. So this thing is mint. But yeah, guys, let me know if you guys want any fucking new content. Let me know what to do. If you want the link for that, let me know. Hit me up. And if you want to know how that does later on, and watch the next video. All right, y'all. Take care. Peace. Like and subscribe, fuckers.